Day, an allegation has been made by Congress MP Rahul Gandhi. Remember, he is a contender in the seat of Raebareli, which is voting today. Rahul Gandhi has now come out and alleged that voters are being intimidated there.
लगा था पर्चियां काटने में बाधा डाल दिया था।
अच्छा, धमकार
प्रिसाइडिंग ऑफिसर से बात करी, आपने कंप्लेंट करी इसकी चुनाव आयोग में? भैया
आपने कंप्लेन किया राहुल जी?
जी
आप तो खुद प्रत्याशी हैं राहुल जी चुनाव आयोग।
बीजेपी के लोग तो बीजेपी के लोग आप लोग को वोट डालने नहीं दे रहे यहाँ पे।
यहाँ पे बस्ता लगा था पर्चियां काटने में बाधा डाल दिया था।
अच्छा, धमकार
प्रिसाइडिंग ऑफिसर से बात करी, आपने कंप्लेंट करी इसकी चुनाव आयोग में? भैया
आपने कंप्लेन किया राहुल जी?
जी
आप तो खुद प्रत्याशी हैं राहुल जी चुनाव आयोग।
Sharon, my colleague, now joining us, getting us more details of what exactly transpired. Sharon, it seems like someone who was with Rahul Gandhi has made that allegation that voters are being intimidated. What exactly happened?
Rahul Gandhi has in fact selected around 52 polling booths across Raebareli, where one by one he is in fact visiting. And this incident is from in fact Balakhera. Balakhera is a village in Raebareli where he went in one of the polling booths and where the number of voters have in fact been accusing the BJP of intimidating them. They have specifically named the BJP candidate Dinesh Pratap Singh's brother, who is in fact trying to intimidate them and saying and also abusing them is the big accusation that is coming in from the voters of Balakhera. After which the media which were present there were asking questions to Rahul Gandhi. Though Rahul Gandhi didn't speak to the media, but he in fact asked all the voters to speak to the media where they have been accusing the BJP of intimidating. So this is a big news that is coming in from the Congress party, that the allegation that is being made by the Congress party at this point is that Dinesh Pratap Singh, the BJP candidate's brother, is trying to intimidate voters, not just in Balakhera, but also in some other areas of Raebareli. There are a number of couple of names that has in fact been put in by the UP Congress on their tweet as well, that in Tehsil Kshetra Bela Khara is another area where there is in fact intimidation that is going on. As of now, what we are being told is that Rahul Gandhi has in fact complained to the presiding officer and accordingly has asked him to take action against Dinesh Pratap Singh's brother, who allegedly is trying to intimidate voters in some of the areas in Raebareli.
Do we have any reaction coming in from the Election Commission on this, Sharon?
Well, as of now, we have not really got any sort of response that is coming in from Election Commission, though the complaint as of now has been made by the RG team. RG Rahul Gandhi, who is in fact in Raebareli right now, he is in fact going from one polling booth to the other. And he alleges that there are a couple of other booths, though he is not speaking to the media, but he is asking the voters to speak to the media. And that is when the voters have been alleging that in number of polling booths, there is intimidation that is going on, and they've been specifically taking the name of Dinesh Pratap Singh's brother. So as of now, the Rahul Gandhi's team has in fact made this complaint. They have forwarded this to the presiding officer. We have to, of course, wait and see whether there will be any sort of action that will be taken by the Election Commission at this point.
So far, no word from the Election Commission. Any word from the BJP or from the Dinesh Pratap Singh, the candidate himself, because it's an allegation that's made directly against him and his family?
Well, Dinesh Pratap Singh in the morning has in fact said that he will be going to each of the polling booths. But what right now is coming in is a big allegation against Dinesh Pratap Singh's brother, where he's been said that ek darjan log, there are also a number of people who are in fact to the media has been saying that ek darjan log प्रशासन के साथ पहुंचकर कांग्रेस प्रत्याशी की ओर से बस्ता की पर्ची बांट रहे हैं, लोगों से गाली गलौज करते हुए फरार हो गए हैं. And this specifically is coming from the Sadar Tehsil Kshetra and in Belakhera also. So there are two places in Raebareli from where these complaints are coming in. As of now, we have not heard anything from Dinesh Pratap Singh, but there are voters who are specifically taking the name of Dinesh Pratap Singh's brother. So this is
right.
right now we are seeing that Rahul Gandhi, who is visiting around 52 polling booths, and this is the big allegation that is coming in from
Right.
his
Sharon,
team.
do
Though
stay
he's
on
not-
with us. BJP's Anila Singh now joining us on the broadcast. Thank you so much for speaking with us here on CNN News 18. Your first reaction to the allegation that has been made by Rahul Gandhi. He's not just accusing of voter intimidation in general. He says it's the family members of his contender in Raebareli that are intimidating these voters.
My Ram Ram to all, and Rahul Gandhi ji has already started to find the excuses for his defeat from Raebareli. That is the sole reason. What type of accusation he is putting in? Everybody knows that Amethi or Raebareli or Lucknow, they are VIP seats, and whole of the election machinery has an eye on these seats, and even the media. So how can he say that he has been assaulted or the workers of his party are being assaulted by Bharatiya Janata Party Karyakarta? These are baseless excuses, and the leader of his capacity should avoid making such accusations.
It's not just him, Anila Singh. Several people within the Samajwadi Party also this morning made allegations that either the voting was too slow in certain booths and that was questionable, or that there was voter fraud. That's an allegation that came to the fore from another of your political rival.
And what about the accusation made by Niranjan Jyoti ji? What about that? Even she has said that workers of Samajwadi Party, they are creating hindrances. They are not letting voters of Bharatiya Janata Party to vote. They are assaulting Bharatiya Janata Party's workers. So what about that? They should stop playing victim card, because people have already made up their mind that they are going to choose Bharatiya Janata Party, and Narendra Modi ji is going to take oath third time.
Anila Singh, thank you so much for speaking with us here on CNN News 18. The BJP, of course, dismissing all allegations that have been made by Rahul Gandhi in this case and by the Samajwadi Party as far as Uttar Pradesh is concerned. Sharon, we still have some more time left before the polling window closes. Already allegations have been made both by the SP and by the Congress Party.
Well, that is right, and accordingly, we are seeing that the Congress Party has forwarded their complaint. Rahul Gandhi, who is in Raebareli with his team, they have in fact approached the presiding officer regarding this particular incident, where they have been saying that in Sadar Tehsil and also in Bela Khera, there are in fact some booths where voters are being intimidated. We have to, of course, see whether election commission.
Sorry to interrupt you there, Sharon. Dinesh Pratap Singh of the BJP, a contender against Rahul Gandhi in Raebareli, joining us on the broadcast. धन्यवाद हमसे बात करने के लिए. आरोप लगा है आप पे और आपके परिजनों पे कि आपके भाई ने कुछ वोटर्स को इंटिमिडेट किया रायबरेली में, ऐसा कांग्रेस कह रही है.
जब कभी कभी लोग आएंगे तो उनको ऐसे दिखेगा, अगर आते होते तो उनको पता चलता कि ऐसा कुछ यहाँ पर नहीं है. लेकिन कभी कभी आने वालों जो को ऐसे लगता होगा, कुछ बोली भाषा का भी अंतर होगा, थोड़ा सा हिंदी कम जानने वालों के लिए भी ये होगा कि भाई हिंदी कम जानते हैं, वो अंग्रेजी ज्यादा जानते हैं, तो हो सकता है इसका भी असर हो. फिलहाल रायबरेली की जनता मोदी जी के साथ है, कमल के साथ है, दिनेश सिंह के साथ है. वो राहुल गांधी की इन बातों में आने वाली नहीं है कि कोई धमका रहा है, कोई फलाना कर रहा है, धमका रहा है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
दिनेश प्रताप जी, इस सिचुएशन में आपके परिजनों पे सवाल उठाए जा रहे हैं, लेकिन सपा और कांग्रेस दोनों मिलकर ये आरोप लगा रही है भाजपा पे और इलेक्शन कमीशन के अफसरों पे कि बहुत सारे बूथ्स पर वोटर फ्रॉड हो रहा है, जिसका ईसी कुछ कर नहीं रही.
अब ये हो सकता है उनका काम ही यही है, चुनाव हारने से पहले आदमी यही कहता है, जो चुनाव हार रहा होता है यही कहता है. मैं तो नहीं कह रहा हूँ कहीं पर, और ना मुझे कोई तकलीफ है. जनता से भी, हमारी रायबरेली की जनता भी हमारा साथ दे रही है और लोग भी साथ दे रहे हैं, मुझे कोई असुविधा नहीं है.
दिनेश प्रताप जी, एक आखिरी सवाल. कांग्रेस कहती है कि रायबरेली तो गांधी का गढ़ है, कांग्रेस पार्टी का गढ़ है, वो वही रहेगा. आपको क्या कहना है इस बारे में?
जिसमें कांग्रेस का एक बीडीसी प्रधान, ब्लॉक प्रमुख, विधायक कुछ भी नहीं, वो कांग्रेस का गढ़ हो जाएगा. आप राजनीतिक अगर दृष्टि से देखेंगे तो गढ़ तो उसको कहते हैं जिसके पास राजनीतिक फसल हो. मुझे तो नहीं लगता कि कांग्रेस का गढ़ होने का कोई प्रमाण उनके पास है.
जी, दिनेश प्रताप सिंह जी, धन्यवाद हमसे बात करने के लिए here on CNN News 18. Sharon, my colleague, continues to be with us. The BJP, of course, dismissing all allegations that have been made by Rahul Gandhi. It could be an issue that is lost in translation, says Rahul Gandhi's contender in Raebareli. Sharon.
Well, that is what Dinesh Pratap Singh has been saying since morning, that Rahul Gandhi is someone who is not really on ground, and if he becomes the member of parliament, he will be someone who will be away from the constituency, or he will be taking Wayanad instead of Raebareli. So that is the accusation that is coming in from Dinesh Pratap Singh since morning. But right now, what Rahul Gandhi's team claim and Uttar Pradesh Congress claims is that these are not words of Rahul Gandhi. Rahul Gandhi is not speaking to the media since morning because today is the voting day. Hence, he has decided that he will not be speaking to the media. But it is the voters on ground wherever he is going, especially in the Jilla Kshetra of Belakhara in Raebareli. That is where the people themselves are saying that they are being intimidated and they are being abused by individuals. They're specifically taking the name of Dinesh Pratap Singh's brother. So this accusation, what the Congress party is saying is that not coming in from the party, but from the voters on ground. So we have to see how the BJP actually defends themselves from this big allegation that is coming in from the Congress party at this point.
It'll be also interesting to see what the next course of action by the Congress is, isn't it? It's one thing to make allegations in public domain, and it's quite another to walk the talk. Whether they do actually go to the EC, take this up, file complaints and seek action is something that we'll still have to wait and watch.
Absolutely, Poonam. And this question was in fact asked to Rahul Gandhi, whether they have in fact approached the presiding officer, whether they have made a complaint. Though the team says that they have in fact made the complaint to the presiding officer in Raebareli, and they have approached him with how the people here are being intimidated, but we have not really officially seen any copy of the complaint. And of course, we have to see whether once the complaint reaches there, what is going to be the action that will be taken by the Election Commission. Because one place that is being reported, but Congress alleges that there are two places in Raebareli from where these intimidation allegations are coming in against the BJP.
Right, Sherin, do keep a track of what the Congress plans to do next. For the moment, though, thank you so much for getting us the latest.